Welcome to Redline Review. When the Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is produced in 2026, it is expected to have a performance similar to a hypercar and an ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle. There have been several speculative designs and collaborations that suggest a recreational vehicle bearing the Bugatti name. Even though Bugatti has not commented, the external appearance and design, it is reasonable to assume that the Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome will be an athletic and aerodynamic vehicle. Two features that set Bugatti automobiles apart from the competition are flowing lines and a horseshoe-shaped grille. Because it uses innovative materials like carbon fiber rather than more conventional ones, the construction is both strong and lightweight. Performance and fuel economy are enhanced by the decrease of drag brought about by aerodynamic efficiency. Facilities in the building's interior. Among the characteristics that could be incorporated into the opulent interior are luxurious living areas that are adorned with polished wood, exclusive linens, and exquisite leather furnishings. High-end equipment and plenty of storage space are elements of the modern kitchen. Creative methods to climate management, entertainment, and the incorporation of smart home technologies. And an opulent bedroom that functions as a cozy haven for rest. Capabilities and effectiveness, separately and respectively. The recreational vehicle, RV, might include a powerful hybrid drivetrain that can generate a sizable amount of torque and horsepower, according to Bugatti's performance history. The use of state-of-the-art suspension technology ensures a comfortable ride on a range of surfaces. Among the many advantages of all-wheel drive are increased stability and traction. The car is outfitted with features like high ground clearance and improved traction control to achieve its off-road capabilities. Regarding price and accessibility, our knowledge of this concept's availability and cost is still incomplete due to its speculative character. Nevertheless, the cost of such a recreational vehicle would probably wind up being several $1,000,000 because Bugatti is such a well-known brand. Though it is still but a concept, the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome offers the best performance and style for those who aspire to live a life of mobility. Bugatti would revolutionize the leisure car market with its exceptional engineering, incomparable comfort, and unmatched design. Bugatti would be the driving force behind this transformation.